अस्सलातु वस्सलाम अलैका या रसूलल्लाह वस्सलाम अलैका या हबीबल्लाह। प्यारे व्यूअर्स, मैं हूं मलिक फैज अहमद एडवोकेट हाई कोर्ट और आप देख रहे हैं मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल। प्यारे व्यूअर्स, उम्मीद करता हूं आप तमाम दोस्त सब खैरियत से होंगे। अल्लाह ताला आप तमाम दोस्तों को सेहत के साथ लंबी जिंदगी अता फरमाए। आज हम पढ़ेंगे सेक्शन 489 अल्ट्रेशन एंड अलाउंस। नंबर वन proof of a change in the circumstances of any person receiving under section 488 monthly allowance are ordered under the same section to pay monthly allowance to his wife or child. The magistrate may make such alteration in the allowance as the thinks fit, provided that if he increases the allowance, the monthly rate of 400 rupees in the whole be not exceeded. Number 2, where it appears to the magistrate that in consequences of any decision of a competent civil court, any order made under section 488 should be cancelled or varied, he shall cancel the order or, as the case may be, vary the same accordingly. Section 490. Section 490 enforcement of order of maintenance. A copy of order of maintenance shall be given without payment to the person in whose favor it is made or to his guardian, if any, or to whom the allowance is to be paid, and such order may be enforced, but any magistrate being satisfied as to the identify of the parties and the non-payment of allowance due. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर इंशाल्लाह शुरू करते हैं। सेक्शन 491। सेक्शन 491 power to issue directions of the nature of a habeas corpus. Any high court may, whenever it thinks fit, direct that a person within the limits of its appellate criminal jurisdiction be brought up before the court to be dealt with according to b, that a person legally or improperly detained in public or private custody within such limits be sit at liberty. C, that a prisoner detained in any jail situate within such limits be brought before court to be there examined as a witness in any matter pending or to be inquired into the such court. D, that a prisoner detained as aforesaid be brought before a court martial or any commissioners for trial are to be examined touching any matter pending before such court material, martial or commissioners respectively. E, that a prisoner within such limits be removed from the custody to another for the purpose of trial, and F, that the body of defendant within such limits be brought in on the sheriff's return of CP corpus to a rate of attachment. A. 1A. The High Court may be journal special order uh, s- published in the official gazette may direct that all or any of its powers specified in classes and A and B of subsection 1 shall, subject to such conditions, if any as may be specified in the order, the exercisable also by A session judge, or B an additional session judge within the territorial limits of a session division. Number two, High Court may from the time to time frame rules to regulate the procedure in the cases under this section. Number three, the nothing nothing in this section applies to person detained under any other law providing for preventive detention. नेक्स्ट सेक्शन इंशाल्लाह कल पढ़ेंगे। कल तक के लिए मुझे इजाज़त दें। इजाज़त लेने से पहले मैं आप तमाम दोस्तों से गुजारिश करता हूँ कि जो मेरे चैनल पर नए दोस्त आए हैं वो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, घंटी और लाइक के बटन को दबा दें ताकि मेरी हर नई आने वाली वीडियो आप तक पहुँच सके। कल तक के लिए मुझे इजाज़त दें। अल्लाह आप तमाम दोस्तों का हामी और नासिर हो। अल्लाह हाफिज़।